If you're experiencing login issues on Vocal.media, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your login information. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the forgot password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Vocal.media's support team. Provide them with details about your issue for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on Vocal.media. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.